When I first came to see Dr. Brady, I had neck pain, shoulder pain, and back pain. I couldn't sleep flat on a pillow. I couldn't lay flat without having extreme pain in my lower back. After seeing him and going through physical therapy and having him adjust me, I am a lot better. I can sleep on a flat pillow now. I can lay flat without having lower back pain. I'm basically all around doing a lot better. Thanks, Dr. Brady.
I've been seeing Dr. Brady for about 20 years now, so I'm probably one of these older patients. About 15 years ago, I experienced a herniated disc in my lower back, and he was able to reduce the pain by about 80-90% in one visit. The remainder took a little bit of time to work out. Between physical therapy and his refusing to give up on it, I was able to not have the surgery and been able to move on and be very productive ever since. His physical therapy, his hands-on technique, he's a little more aggressive than a lot of people are, but it really pays off, and I highly recommend him, and I refer everybody I can.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, well, when I first came in, I was in severe pain in my lower back and in my neck, and this morning, after my second manipulation, I am feeling a lot better. The pain is down into the 1 and 2 area this morning after this manipulation. Thank you, Dr. Brady.
I've been coming to Dr. Brady for, gosh, I can't even think, probably 15 or 20 years. I suffer from a terminal illness, and days when I'm so sore from being sick, when I come in here, he just makes me feel so much better, and sometimes even brings me to tears because it just makes me feel so much better than I was feeling before. So I recommend it highly.
I came to the chiropractor because I had back pains, but now everything's much better.
Hi, I've been coming to see Dr. Brady for, about 6-7 months right now. And I'm actually back to being a whole lot better than I was. I can garden now. I can actually stay up a whole lot longer than I could. I'm going to continue my chiropractic therapy because I sure feel a whole lot better once I leave here. So.
And I can't bend halfway over. I can't move. I'm restricted with my motions and spasms up and down my neck on my side. I come in, I get adjusted, lay down. Next thing you know, I'm almost on the palms on the floor. So one more trip, next trip, it'll all be straightened back up until I mess it all up again, and then I'll be back.
Okay.
Well, my name is Shirley Barron, and since I've been coming to Dr. Brady, my lower back has improved dramatically, and my overall health has improved dramatically. The exercises that they have me do, and the nice thing is that they take you by the hand and they watch you do them. So I will do them, which I won't do them on my own. And they're also sweet and friendly, and they help you with them. And then, but the pain is gone out of my lower back and my upper neck, and I can get out in the yard and work and not come in and just be exhausted, and my tummy's flatter, and everything is working great.
How long did you have your pain?
I had my pain for a couple of years before I came here, and I had no idea that anybody could, particularly at my age, that anybody could do anything about it to this degree. I just had no idea, or I'd have been here sooner.
Very good. All
Yeah.
right. Thank you.
Yeah.
What brought me to Advantage Medical Group was their great hours. Monday through Friday, 7 to 7, and again on Saturdays from 7 to noon. The staff is excellent. Everybody's kind and caring, and you get that one-on-one personal touch from each and every one of them. Dr. Brady and Dr. Brodlowski are two of the greatest doctors that I've ever personally dealt with. They've helped my family through lots of things, and I recommend Advantage Medical Group to everyone. I've moved my entire family, my co-workers over here, and no one's sorry that they've moved.
Okay, I came to Advantage Medical for chiropractic care about a year ago now. I had seen several other chiropractors over the past few years. I have a lower back injury that had caused me to significantly reduce my activities. I was also on a very large and relatively dangerous group of medications to help me with the pain. After being on these meds for 3 years, I went to see my first chiropractor. After 3 sessions, I haven't taken anything stronger than Tylenol, and I think that's fantastic. I had to see a chiropractor very regularly to manage my back. Once I began coming to Advantage Medical and seeing Dr. Brady and having the rehab piece added on with the exercises, I have not had a single episode in at least 8 months. I'm much more active than I was. I am now running marathons on a regular basis and training for my first triathlon. So I think it's wonderful. If it's the right thing for you, it's the place to come. There are no others.
I started seeing Dr. Brady about 5 years ago. I've seen a number of other chiropractors. None of them have given me the relief and pain that he has. Whenever I started seeing him, I had shoulder pain of a 6 to an 8, and I had chronic headaches and stomach and all kinds of discomfort. After seeing him, he worked with me with aggressive chiropractic physical therapy, heat treatments, stem, and together it's worked. He's also helped me work on my diet with my allergies. I have a new life. I've lost 20 pounds. I'm healthy. I feel well. And I totally owe this to Dr. Brady. Fortunately, I had to move away, and I drove 4.5 hours to come back and see him because I have a migraine headache that pain management doctor could not take care of, a medical doctor could not, 2 chiropractic doctors could not. I've seen Dr. Brady today. I got relief from the pain. So thank you, Dr. Brady.